Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Oh yeah, let me know if the mic is working, baby. We in here. It's Monday. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. We here. So you already know what time it is, baby. This is a roll call. This is a head count. Let me know where you from in the building, baby. Let me know where you from. I see Oman just checked into the building. The family, we trying to know where you from, baby. Let us know in the comments. Discord family in the chat. We got Mexico in the building. We here. We here. Mic check. 1 2 1 2, baby. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Let's get it. Let's go. We in the kitchen, baby. London is in the building. The UK just stepped in. We got upstate New York. Texas is in the house. New York City. Woo. Miami, baby. We here. Springfield is in the building. Happy Monday, family. Let's go. Let's get it. Now let's talk about it. Savannah's in the building. We just got in. Everybody, if you just rolling in, you already know what time it is. Let us know where you from in the comments. I see Kansas, Tampa. I see Minnesota. We in here. I see New Jersey is in the building. Let's go. Family, we've been waiting all weekend for a moment like this. It's time to get this money. Let's get it. Woo! Let's go. Woo! Let's get it. Oh, we already got somebody acting up in the chat. Oh, my boy, HDS. Appreciate you for the love, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Dirty Jersey in the building. I see you. I see you. Let's get it. Kansas in the house. New York City. St. Louis in the house. The Bronx. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Let's go. We here. We here, family. We got 12 minutes until the market open. Woo! Ohio's in the building. Afghan in the building. We here. Somalia's here. We got Pakistan is in the building. We here, baby. It's hot in the kitchen. China's in the building. Puerto Rico is in the house. Nashville. We here, baby. Now, let's take a look. Without further ado, this is not financial advice. I just hope you watch your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't believe in and don't understand, because if they dip, woo, you not gonna buy the dip, and then you're gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me, and I'm not having that. And everybody in the chat, they not having that. So you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks and stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Now let's get it, baby. Let's go. Maryland is in the house. Minnesota's here too. We here. Let's get it. Thailand, we here. Yemen, let's get it. We here, baby. We here. All right, let's take a look at the first banger on the list. And the first banger on the list is Sprt, support.com. And we've been talking about this for a while now. If you take a look in the aftermarket, or even in the pre-market, family, aftermarket, the low was about 33. Pre-market, the low is just about, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom out just a little bit. Let's see. Let's get with our tools. You already know what time it is, baby. All right, so the low, 33. This is what we're looking for. We want to see what happens when the market opens and see if it tanks immediately, because then we can load up, bow. Or if it takes off immediately, then we might have to ease into the position. Oh yeah, we on ATER 2, baby. We on ATER 2. I hope y'all in the Discord. We've been talking about this one. Let's get it. Let's get it. ATER running. BBIG. Let's talk about it, baby. Let's talk about it, baby. Now we got to check out GSAT too. What's going on with them? Global Star. Okay, they had a little gap up. I see you. Not much. Just 65%. Let's go. Let's go. Runner. 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 What we want to see though is we want to see what are the options for the calls. What are the prices when they open up? So far, no one has these. The market makers just made them when it was just time for us to take a look. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Some actually do. It must be large institutions that have them. Take a look at this. There's 2,000 on a $65 call for September 16th. 2,600. Why is this important? Take a look at this. Oh, $30, 10,000. 10,000. Again, why is this important? Take a look, family. Understand that many of these options were not available. From 40 up, they weren't available for regular retail investors to load up on any of these. But there are thousands of them, 75. Woo! Crazy. Crazy. We here, baby. We here. If you in a building, hit that. Hit that like button, baby. Hit that like button. We here. All right, cool. So let's check out let's check out what's going on with the plays though. Wait, where we at? Where my chart at? No data. No data. What's going on? This one works. BBIG works. ATER works. Support? Okay. Okay, here we go. Support is now trying to work. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, family. So, on the RSI, on the 5-minute chart, RSI is at 41. This means that it's basically kind of in the middle. Anything over 70 is considered overbought. Anything under 30 is considered oversold. So we got, what, 8 minutes? And we're looking at Discord family. Just know, we're looking at options on a few plays. But I want to make this absolutely clear. Absolutely clear. If you can't day trade, because your account won't allow you to day trade, then you might want to pass up on some of these crazy hot plays, unless you're willing to hold it for more than a day. Discord gang of building. I see you. I see you. I see you. You might want to hold off unless you could day trade, unless you want to hold it for more than a day. Remember, you got to be paying attention to these plays if you're getting in them. Let's check out MMAT for a second. It's up, not much, just 18% on the day in the pre-market so far. Yo, these plays is up. Look at AMC, baby, let's go. We up 2% in the pre-market too. I love to see it. I love to see it. Just know your boy looking for a leap. Looking for a leap on this. Just know, let's get it. We here, baby. Let's go. My guy said he gonna be quiet a lot today. Oh, we here. We here. Yo, let's go. Discord family, we in the building, baby. So, good entry point for shares on BBIG. Family, let me tell you something. Average in if you're getting into the play. Average into it. Don't just jump in and then be done. Average in, because there's no real good entry point on any of these. I want you to understand that. They're so volatile. Like, for example, let's go back in time and let's make it make some sense, right? BBIG. Let's go back. You can't tell the future, right? Look at this. This is what? The 27th. So if you look in here and you say, okay, it opened up somewhere around under $3, under $4, right? 360. It's going, it's going, it's going. It hits 475. It drops back down to 4. It comes back up to 590, and then it drops back to 4, basically, right? Even this high point on the day would have been a good entry if you consider today, where it's at 9. So you can't really say, okay, this is a good entry, that's a good entry. You can't really say that with these super crazy, hot, volatile ones. If you get in on the top, guess what? Like I always tell you, you basically got to say this. I got $300, for example, and then you say, okay, I got $300 to play on this. My first $100. You already know you were rocking me for a long time. Bow. I got some skin in the game, baby. Bow. First 100. But I still got 200 to average in with the rest of the play. So then if I got in at 6 right here and it dropped all the way down to 4, bow. I'm ready to strike again with my next strike. Bow, bow. And then if it came all the way up here, I still got 100 and I could just sit on the sideline and say, you know what? My position is good, or I could average up. But if it came all the way down, bang, bang. Let's get it. Let's get it. Somebody said take a look at pins really quick. Got you. No, that's not the right one. Okay, so pins are still staying a bit stagnant. It's stagnant. What else is up? What else are we doing here? Oh, family, Peloton. We got to take a look. PTON. PTON. So yeah, we want to see if this one breaks. Look at that. Crashed. It crashed from about 115, 120, all the way down to 97. You would have thought that they would have went even lower than that after hitting that mark, that 97, breaking a 100 support, and then boom, bear trap right here. You would expect it to keep dropping, but look, it came back up after a huge correction. Peloton has some bad earnings news. Bam. All right, so here we go. Support is running already. We getting super crazy close. All right, family. So now that we're doing that, just know I'm looking for options on a few different plays. I'm looking for options on a few different plays. Somebody said check out ATER. Yeah, we've been checking them out. We here, baby. If you in the building, hit that like button for your boy, baby. Show some love. Let's get it. ATER is coming down, but again, ATER, I can see it going higher. I'm just keep it real with you. It gapped up right here. I can see it potentially going higher. This is no guarantee, but I can see it. I can totally see it. Under $10 seems solid. With some of these plays too, I was telling you about not too long ago how to hedge. If you get into a call and you think it might drop immediately after you get into the call, what I want you to understand, a firm is up a lot too. What I want you to understand, look at that. Dang. From 70 all the way up to 103. Yeah, that's nuts. That's nuts, family. Yeah, these short sellers, man, they down bad right now. They down bad right now. We want to see what's going on with them, though. So let's come back. Because just know, one thing I want you to understand is these short sellers, they know what time it is. They know what we're trying to do. Every single one of us. They know exactly what we want to do. I told you a long time ago that they got people actually scouring the internet to make sure that they know what you want to do. Let's get it. If you just rolling in, asking me to check on the stock, I probably checked it immediately. Like ATER, we checked that one, right? GSAT, we checked that one. We'll come back to them. We'll come back to them. We trying to look for a play. Remember, the first 10 to 15 market, open hours, crazy volatile, and they don't really give you much information about what's going to happen on the stock that day. However, with SPRT all the way up 40%, just know, family, just know there's a lot of covering happening. Not all, but a lot of covering happening. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Hit that like button for your boy. Show some love. But let's talk about it. DraftKings. Let's see what's going on with them. DraftKings. Let's see. I clicked the wrong one. DraftKings. Boom. Here we go. All right, so they're coming down a little bit. Let's check out the SPY, because a lot of things are up, a lot of things are down. What is the SPY doing? So, all right, so the SPY is back up over the 150 mark. It actually touched 151. It hit 151 today, which has to be a new all-time high in the pre-market. Yeah. SPY hit all-time high in the pre-market today. 451. I probably said 151. 451. Let's get it. Somebody said Palantir puts. Here we go. Just like we know, every time they hit that 26, it just don't like being up there. It just really does not like being up there. All right, market open, baby. Market is open. All right, cool. So let's go to SPRT. Let's see how it's reacting right now. Okay, it's coming down. Cool. It's coming down. It's coming down. That's what we like to see. We want to see an overreaction, and then we want to get in, get up, get out. Now, if we run a play on this, Discord fam, if we run a play on this, you can run your own play if you want. But if we run a play together, I want you to understand, if you can't day trade, then you might want to be a little cautious. All right, so let's see. Let's get it. So a lot of people try to exit a position. Let's get it. Let's get it. Looking for a call. Looking for a call. A lot of them were very expensive too, by the way. Come on. Look at the volatility, family. Sheesh. Volatility is through the roof. Oh, yeah. I'm looking at the options right now, family, on SPRT. Still crazy. They're in the thousands. Check it out for yourself. Check out if the options are still in the thousands for you. They're still in the thousands for me in terms of the cost for one. Check them out. Check them out, okay? What we do want to see, though, is we want to see it cool off a lot and then break down. But yeah, some of these is really through the roof. And again, I don't plan on holding any of these. Thank you for GSAT. Good looking out. No doubt, big dog. Let's get this money, baby. Let's get this money. I see some tears in the chat. We want to see this cool off. It might not. Remember, this is a super high play. I want to see it tank, and then I want to get in on the bottom. That's how I want to do it. Who should I day trade with? It really don't matter. If you can, you can. If you can, you can. So look, yo, come on, man. I already know which plays I want to get in. I need this to load up. So let's take a look. Options. Notice, you see this? I want this information to load in. Come on, Webull. Load in, baby. We need to see what's going on with these prices. It had to cool off. The RSI got all the way up to 80. When it gets over 70, it's too high. We had to, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. We had to cool a bit. We had to cool off a little bit. So I'm looking at the options right now. With the strength that this is showing early in the morning, I could really see this one going off, family. Definitely. Potentially not immediately, but I could definitely see this one going nuts. Last. All right. Yeah, these is expensive. Just know. Just know. High risk, high reward, baby. High risk, high reward. But this is only one of few that I'm looking for. This is only one of few that I'm looking for. Here we go. Man, all of these is the same price? That's really crazy. Yeah, these is going, woo! I don't own any XRP, but I think it's a banger. I think it's a banger. All right, cool. Yep, here we go, family. This one is a runner. We want it to come back down. I was trying to get in the 30s, but I couldn't get in it. Here we go. Let's check out another one. Let's get that one sometime. Let's see what's going on with this. ATER is basically cooling way off, way off, coming down. Coming down. The RSI is currently 28, which is way oversold. This ATER is way oversold. It gapped up. It's filling the gap a little bit to 7. Let's check out Sprt, see if it cooled off just a second. It did. Okay, we're back in the 30s. All right, family. So look, crazy high risk, crazy high reward. I'm going for it. We knew this had to cool off, but we back in the 30s. You go hard or you go home, right? I'm going to go for this one. Yo, I don't think these options prices are right. I'm just keeping it real. I'm looking at them right now. I don't think that they're right. They're all like the same. Go to your app, whether it's Robinhood or Webull or whatever, and look at the call options for the 17th above the $40 range and see if many of them, even at different strikes, are all the same price. Listen, family, I tell you every time, if it's looking like a duck, it's quacking like a duck, it's probably market manipulation, baby. We gotta keep it real. We gotta keep it raw. It's looking bad. It's looking crazy. But again, let's get this money. Let's get this money. So here we go. Let's go to, I see one that I want and one that I like. But it's really outside of a lot of people's price range. Right. My guy Michael said, he said they seeing all 1,300 and up. This is looking weird. I'm gonna keep it real. This is looking weird because what happens is supply and demand drives the price action of these options. What do I mean by that? Look, if nobody's buying it at these certain ranges, it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. All right, cool. So let's check one out, another one. I want to jump in with the fam, but these is really looking way outside of a lot of people's price range. Like, for example, $1,300, $1,400. Not everybody is willing to risk all of that. You see what I'm saying? For an option where you could just load up on the shares. That's a high risk. High risk. High risk. Let's see. I think I'll get in, but you got to be a big dog. You got to be a big dog if you're trying to roll up with some of these. Real big dog. All right, so look. Big dog. All right. So I found one that's under 1,000. However, keep in mind, let me see what the open interest is on it. Not high. All right, let's check this one out. All right, so I found one that's better. Not great, but better. Here we go. See if I can get. I'm filled. All right, family. So this one is under 1,000. High risk, high reward. I'm going to send it to the Discord. Just know, Discord fam, I'm not staying in this one. Preferably, I might even jump out of it today. Discord family, I'm about to send you this one. I found one under 1,000. Keep in mind, if you can't day trade, avoid this. Everybody on the Discord, I'm hitting you up. Not holding until expiration. Get in, get up, get out. Read carefully. Read this carefully. All right, cool. Discord fam, I just hit you with one. I'm up on it right now. Cool. Okay. And then I'm going to go in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to buy a protective put on this. I'm going to buy a protective put on this. All right, here we go. All right, now she coming down. Cool. I want to buy a protective put on this. Let's get it. Where we at? Calls, puts. What am I talking about, family? So I'm talking about hedging. I'm talking about hedging with a protective put. I'm going to put this. I keep them on the same date. So then if it tanks, I got some protection and I could jump out. I could jump out of the put as it's making money and hold on to the call. Let me see what the open interest is on this put. A lot. A whole lot. Let's see. Oh, we get money, baby. Let's do it. Let's go. So now that I see this going up, that means, all right, cool. I'm gonna wait for the put then. I'm gonna wait for it. Let it go up and wait for the put. And look, this is the plan. You see my screen? We jumped in a call right about here, right? If it tanks and we're in a put, the put will be going up. The call will be going down. As the put goes down, the money's gonna go up, right? Cool. You coming back up or you going down? And again, notice too, one thing I want you to notice as well, let's go back in time, before we even do anything, let's go back in time and look at the, traditionally, how this thing moves. Let's back out. Where we on? Support? We are. 30-minute chart? Yeah. All right, too much. Let's go to the 5-minute. Historically, how does it move? We were talking about this the other day. It goes up until like 10 o'clock or so. Comes down until like 11 o'clock and then been straight rocket since 11, right? Let's see if it did something similar the day before. All right, so it goes up a little bit. Look, it goes up a little bit till 10 o'clock, comes down at 10:30 here, and then after 10:30, it's been a straight rocket. And then it came down again, though, the day before. But then in the pre-market and aftermarket, it's up again. So now we're in the 30s. All right, cool. So now let me look at this. Let me check it out in a 1 minute. Again, high risk, high reward, baby. High risk, high reward. And then we see this. We get into the, we're selling. We get some selling. So now, here we go. We got our arch. We're hoping that after 10:30, we could be on a rocket. That's what we're looking for. We could be on a rocket. So now, once we go green, 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 and head back up towards that 40, I'm willing to put my put on it then. But until then, I'm just going to deal with the volatility. Hide in the kitchen. Hide in the kitchen. So now it's coming down. Hot play. Hot play. Crazy hot. I can handle the heat. Here we go. I can handle the heat, baby. Let's see. RSI, we coming back down. I wonder if we're going to hit the 35 today. Let's look for another call too, by the way. We looking at Affirm. Affirm? No. Did I already checked that one out earlier? I did. Here we go. Affirm. So this one's coming down too. A lot of the hot plays are coming down. GSAT is coming down. A lot of them are coming down. Pins is back down. Pins is back down. Let's look up BBIG. Hot play. Hot play, baby. AMC is running. Oh, I'm hearing Palantir. No, wrong one. PLTR. Palantir is up. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Yo, Palantir broke past the 26. It broke it. Who would have thought? No, not that. All right, cool. So now we're going to sit in support. They trying to scare us out of it. All right, won't work on me. Won't work on me. Won't work on me. Okay, let's get it. Cool. I might double down on this one. It's still coming down. Let's see if we get to the oversold territory. Woo, we hot, baby. We hot. Hot, hot, hot. This is a part of the game. The volatility. It's a part of the game. Part of the game. Palantir. Everybody's looking for a Palantir put. Y'all ain't wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Let it, look, it's high. It's really high. I think it could touch the 27s. Let's see it. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Let's see if it will. We hot. We hot. A lot of the hot plays is coming down. The SPY is up. A lot of the hot ones. ATER is coming down. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Peloton, B. Okay. So look, all of the hot plays, notice they all coming down right now. All of them. Here we go. Pins, affirm. Where we at? We just looked this up. Venco Ventures, down. We looked up affirm. Cooling off, cooling off. We look up support. Support, found support at 35. Let's see what it does. They try to shake us out. We ain't getting shooken out. We ain't getting shooken out, baby. I'm waiting for it to come back up higher than my thing so I get a protective put on it. But again, we got our arch on the day. We got our arch, right? And then after 10, we want to see what it does. See if it stays in the same pattern that we've been in. Ooh, ooh. Somebody said Apple is over 150. We got to check them out. Shout out to Apple, baby. Is this all-time high? Let's see. No. Close. Close. All-time high is 151, it's looking like. Yeah, 151. We are very close. Palantir is running. Look at that. I bet you it's your girl, Kathy Woods. The one, the only. Let's get it. Let's get it, and let's see. Let's see where we at with support. Support's coming back up. It's trying to wake up. Let's see if you want to touch 50 for us today. Nio. What's going on with him? Nio's come down. Yo, the whole market, a lot of the high growth plays, baby, they've been woo, 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 hot. Here we go. Yo, I thought GSAT said it was 2,000, but it's $2.066. I'm like, whoa, 4 digits? What's going on with that? All right, cool. So we got almost, yeah, crazy oversold on this one. Now we coming back up. We coming back up. Short sellers, y'all gotta stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. We ready. So somebody said Lucid is tanking. Lucid is tanking. We want to see Lucid in a low. If we see it in the teens, that's a really good time to, allegedly, to get a leap. Allegedly, supposedly. Did it hit the teens? No. I wanted to get a leap on them before, but I felt like they had a chance to just come down a little bit more because you got to understand, everybody's expecting them like, everybody's expecting them to basically have deliveries in October or so. Well, SPY might be all-time high, but they might, no, not yet. But they might not. They might not. So this was coming back. We coming for a revival. We got a revival coming on. Come on, baby. Revival. Let's get it. If you're trying to get into the Discord, I need some time. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody said that Penn's put is printing. Let's get it. Most puts that you got today should be printing. Remember, when you up, get out. Hot. Hot. Hot, hot. All right, cool. So now we identified the downtrend. Take a look. We have identified a downtrend. However, remember, all it takes is one big dog to just get in this one and turn it into a rocket. Straight up, but we've identified a downtrend. We want to see you break out of this downtrend. This downtrend is in red. I'll make it red. Downtrend's in red. Break up out of that if you want to. If you don't, we understand. Let's go. Somebody said, yo, we got to check them out. Oh, look, we trying to break it. We trying to break it. Let's see. Let's see. All right. So somebody said the AMC option is getting money. I want to run an AMC call, but not yet. I wanted to run it at 40. A long call. Longer. SPY is still doing numbers, family. Let's see if it's going to hit all-time high today. SPY's all-time high. It might have already hit. Yeah, it did. 451.30. It's literally 10 cents away from a new all-time high. Ooh, it's cooking. Yeah, it's cooking in the kitchen right now. Look at her. She's trying to wake up. She's trying to wake up. She's trying to break out of the downtrend. She's trying to break out of the downtrend. We see you, girl. She's trying to break out of the downtrend. Go ahead. Go ahead with your bad self. We want to see you run. Let's see if you stay with your regular pattern of going up to what, about 10 o'clock or so, coming down. Oh yeah, going up 9:30, coming down about 10, and then from 10:30 or 11, and historically in the last 3 days, a bit of a rocket. But let's see. Remember, never get married to a play. You get your money with the play, or you take your small loss and then reassess. Boom. Woo! AMC broke is going up still. Here we go. So AMC is somewhat in this channel right here. But we are in an uptrend on AMC. Let's get it. Let's get it. We want to see AMC, the big dog, the beast, the banger. We want to see it run. We want to see it run. Let's go. Oh, you know what else? Since support is coming back up, that must mean that many other plays are also coming back up. Here we go. Come on, support. We want to see you get over the 43. It's finding resistance, but come on. Eat up that resistance, baby. Eat up that resistance, baby. Let's get up out of this one. Boom. Boom. Here we go. Run up. I want to see this hit. I can see this hitting 45, but I want to see this hit 50, 60. I want to see it. I want to see it. I'm going to let you do your thing. Let's check out the beast, the big dog, the banger. AMC. AMC, we having a day. We up 5%. Come on, baby. Keep pushing, girl. Woo! All right, you had to cool off. We understand that. We understand that. But do you want to stay in an uptrend for us? Let's see. Let's see where you're going to come down to. Let's break this line here. We don't need anymore. Oh, that was a... Here we go. So we're trying to break through this line today. This one. This red line. We want to break it. We want to get above it and break right over it. Oh, hold up. Okay. Now we're trying to play the momentum. trying to play the momentum, baby. Yeah, stay in that uptrend for us. Let's see it. MMAT. All right, so let's check them out. MMAT. Let's look up options on them. Today we going in, baby. Not puts, we looking for calls. Here we go. Not bad, not bad. What we got to? Okay. Break even is there. How high did this one get? Okay. Let's see. We have 29% on the day so far. I like it. MMAT. You gonna come back down for us a little bit. So MMAT is in a downtrend on the day. It jumped up and then it downtrended and then it reversed a little bit, a tad bit, a slight little bit. Let me get out of not affinity. We don't want to see that. Global coming down. Let's look them up again. AMC, we love to see it. We love to see it. We love to see it, baby. Let's go and see what certain calls cost on AMC. Now, generally, I don't run weeklies on AMC, but let's just see what they looking like, baby. Let's see what these weeklies are looking like, baby. AMC is going crazy. Somebody just said the SPY hit an all-time high. Yes, it did. I know some people are running puts on the SPY right now. Remember, if you get into a put on the SPY, don't live there. Never live there. You get in. If it ain't working your way, take a small L and get up out of that. All right, so let's see. Take a small L and get up out of that. If you run out of time, don't take no huge L, especially when you run out of time. So look, we still in this uptrend. Let's see if we can hold it. We still in this uptrending channel. Let's get it. Who we at? AMC. All right, yeah, so let's see. AMC. Options. September. Yeah, generally, family, you don't want to run weeklies. However, you know, it's your money. I can't hold you. We love to see the momentum on it. Let's see what the open interest is on this. Crazy. 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 Let's go. Working. You gonna give me my fill? Nah, it's running too much. I ain't gonna get the fill on that. Let me cancel this order, family. Cancel it. Cancel. Cancel. AMC, keep going, baby. We love to see it. The RSI getting crazy. What does that mean? It's getting to the overbought territory, so you might see it to start to cool off a little bit. BBIG got halted. Okay, so it was crashing down, got halted. This should add some fear into the other plays. Affirm, it's not bothering Affirm. Let's look up. Yep, it got suspended. That drop suspended it. That should add some fear into the other plays. Sprt. Okay, this one's trying to break trend. It's finding resistance up here. But remember, this one ain't gonna follow the charts to a T. Okay, so now, let's see. What we doing? What we doing? We gonna drop. Is the suspension adding some fear? So if you're in a BBIG call, I hope that you have more than a week on it so you can have some time to recover from this. I hope that you got some time on that, baby. All right, cool. So let's extend this out a bit. And it's widening. It's widening. So cool. We're starting to find some buying up here. It's widening. But let's see it. Notice we have a high. I guess we have a slightly higher high, somewhat. We want to see if we maintain this. Let's see. Yeah, I forgot about that one. KPLT. Catapult. If I'm saying that correctly, it came down to 4. It came down to 4. Let's see. $5. Let's see. We want to see this one. I imagine that this one. I didn't mean to click that. What is this? I imagine that this one, as soon as they unsuspend it, we should see some positive buying on this. Bam, bam, bam. So somebody said GSAT is breaking the trend. GSAT trend. There we go. No, we going up. We going up, baby. We like to see it. We like to see it. This one's coming back down, but it might touch 34 again and go back up and down. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. All right, let's see. Let's see, let's see. I'm thinking about getting into a catapult call, play this, but I'm gonna let it cool off. It's running. It's running. Let's see. We're trying to play the volatility and the momentum. Let's see, let's see. What we really want to see today is like a huge spurt and then jump out on any of these. Like something like this. You want to see something like this. Like, it's not looking good. Not looking good. It's pretty calm. Bam, jump up, and then you get out. That's what we're looking for. Just relatively calm most of the day, and then just a crazy spike, and then get out. But again, you can't call it. You can't call it on any just one day. That's why you give yourself time, always. Here we go. Overall, uptrend. Let's see if it breaks it. And it could. Remember, it looked like it will. It could. AMC is at 44. Okay, let her cool off a little bit. Let's go back to GSAT, see what's up with her. Short interest opens 70% up. Free float. Thoughts on? Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. So let's see. GSAT. Where did GSAT get in the pre-market? It got to 260. It might fight to get back up there. It gapped up a little bit and then kept going from, it was in the $1 range, but that kind of came out of nowhere. Palantir is showing a lot of strength way over its recent resistance. KPLT. From 4 to 450. Let's see. Our girl support, she's showing a little bit of weakness. I think she's coming back to the 34. If so, I'll double down once. I'll double down once on it if it hit 34 or around. If I get even lower, even better. I want to see her jump. Bam. And then, okay, let's look them up. Oh, we not suspended no more. Just like I knew it. I knew it. As soon as we weren't going to be suspended anymore, it jumps. So we go from, yep, suspension, green, because there's a lot of people behind it. There's a lot of people behind it. Somebody said Apple is taking off. Yo, I'm telling you, man, Apple is a huge banger. Apple is a crazy banger. We love to see it. We love to see it. All right, cool. So let's see what's going on. These hot plays, they trying to shake us. I ain't getting shaken out. We seeing what's good. The short sellers, they know we watching. They know we watching. They know we watching, baby. They know we watching. Let's check out AMC, though. Let's see. So AMC is back, and it's trying to cool down a little bit after that little run. Let's go. Let's see if any of the call options on support have gotten to a normal price. Gotten to a normal price. All right, go. Let's go. AMC. AMC. Cool. I'll pick up a call on them. So yeah, normally I wouldn't do it weekly, but I'm gonna get in, get up, and get out on this. Send this one quick. Just pick this one up. This up. Not holding past today. I'm not holding this past today. The bread and butter. Yeah, we really in an uptrend, but it's just slow. But we starting to get more buying and more buying. That's why it's narrowing. Let's go. GSAC got an Apple deal. That's what's up. Puts on support, you could. I would get a protective put for my call. But right now, we start to see a low. We see a higher low. It's in an uptrend on the day. It don't look like that, but it is. Again, if you can't day trade, be cool. Be cool. If you can't day trade, be cool. Be cool on this one. Because if it spikes up or it spikes down, you want to be able to say, all right, I had enough. Boom. You got to be responsible, baby. Charge point headed to the teens. CHPT. Some people hate to see it, but guess what? I love to see it. I love to see it. Why? Because I want to load up down there. Lucid hit the teens and bounced. Good looking out, big dog. It did. And it's probably going to come back down there. It's probably going to come back down there. MMAT showing a bull flag. Oh, look, and a W. Whoop, whoop. If we break this neckline, we could be on a rocket. This neckline right here. 1, 2, break this. Bam, we could be on a rocket. Notice, too, low, slightly higher low. Thoughts on GSAT? So currently we're in an uptrend on it. And we're at the bottom of the uptrend. See? See if it breaks it. We're in an uptrend, but at the bottom of it. Okay. So now, SPRT is starting to show some weakness. Starting to show some weakness. Still overall in an uptrend, but the angle is just a little different. Let's go. Let's go to this one again. Come on, these high plays. I'm imagining that they're gonna wake up later when I'm off live. AMC. Usually I wouldn't get a real get in, get out call, but I am in one. I ain't gonna lie. I'm in a get in and get out. I want a long leap for AMC, but I want it in the 30s. Somebody asked me, would I get a put on AMC? Now, there's money to be made there, but no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I would not. I don't want to get no money with the short sellers. It's as simple as that. So I would get calls, and that's it. I want to see her run. I want to see her run. Affirm. Let's check them out. So a lot of things are showing weakness other than even Palantir now. Even Palantir now. Nio is showing a lot of weakness. The EV plays. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla's probably getting killed. Yep. It's still up on the day. It gapped up a little bit, and then it's still up. But the rest of the EV plays are getting killed. Charge point, 20%, $20, whatever. Support. Nio, Palantir, Apple. Yo, Apple is doing numbers, man. Apple is doing numbers, man. Got some October calls for AMC, Zero or Moon. I see you. Somebody said PFE. Where are they at? In the 56, 54? No. 46. 46. 46, 44. That's what I meant. Because we know they've been falling down. Pfizer. 46. Support is 37 again. So it's still in the uptrend, but the sellers, they starting to gain some traction. The sellers are starting to gain some traction. We starting to get into consolidation almost. Our slope is going to zero. Let's see. AMC. Let's see. We want to see you run up, girl. Go ahead. Let's get it. BBIG target. BBIG. IG target. Let's see. 7. So this one's still coming down. Even after it got stopped right here, still coming down. So a lot of these real hot ones. If you in BBIG, let me know in the comments. If you're in BBIG. So let's look up ATER. Remember, these are hot plays. Hot. What's hot? Red. Red is hot. There are much safer calls and there are much safer puts. If you want to get into a hot play, high risk, high reward, that's when you need your other mitts on, baby. There are much safer calls. Like, for example, SPY calls. SPY calls are much safer. Let's talk about it. SPY calls are much safer, like safe, right? Somebody said, sure am. They got shares, downtrend. Tesla, yeah, somebody, they saying they're in it, Are you in the calls too, right? You're in the calls? Ooh, I'm seeing some heat. I'm seeing some heat. Yeah. Again, remember, when you playing these, they hot. If you need to, somebody said their hands is on fire, baby. Diamonds is fireproof, baby. But again, don't diamond hand no option. But again, give yourself time for it to go. I'm seeing a lot of people said that they're in it. Any locked in a halt? Remember, hot plays. There's a difference between getting into a option like a normal one, like the SPY, or a normal one like Apple or something like that, or saying, you know what, today I'm taking a risk. Bam, high risk, high reward. High risk, high reward. Here we go. Support is now 36. My guy said, I told y'all AQST is going at 30. Is it up today? Really good. AQST. Let's get it. My guy said it's going to $30. He said, forget what you heard. Constant runner, constant. Oh, this is Laura. Shout out to Laura. So far, it's doing well. Shout out to Trudy. Let's go. AMC is turning around to a downtrend. Or it's turning around to an uptrend. Okay. Slight uptrend. It's in an uptrend. Support turned around a little bit too. Back to 37. Is MMAT the next banger? BBIG is tanking. BBIG is tanking. Yeah, it is. Let's see where it might go. Oh, it already fell through. Where are we at? 4? It could be headed towards 4. Let's see. Yeah, it's tanking bad. Let's look at what the puts are looking like on this. $6, not bad. 130, 550 put. But it's so oversold that we might see some turnaround. That's what we're looking for, family. Some turnaround. Support is tanking, baby. Tanking. Here we go. Support. This making me wish I would have bought that put on it earlier. But again, hot play. You cannot tell the future. You got to play it like it is. Give yourself some time. Let all of this stuff happen. And then boom. Somebody said Macy's put. Let's look up M. It got up to 23 and now it's back down to 22. It might live here for a little bit. Let's see. Is anybody in the comments in ATER? Are you in ATER? Somebody said somebody blame Kenan for losing money. Listen, I don't even have access to your buy or sell button. And I told you out the gate, if you playing a hot play, it's a hot play. It's not meant to be a cool play like this, like the SPY. It's not meant to be a cool play like Apple. It's not a play like that. These plays is hot. And BBIG, I'm not even in this one yet. However, I'm interested. I'm interested. Yeah, somebody said they ain't ATER. They ATER. Somebody said they bailed out of ATER. I'm an AMC, ATER, support, Exela, and BBIG. Yep, I've seen people like ATER making money on the way down. Let's go. Need to get out the kitchen. We ain't having that. Patience, right? They're talking about AMC. AMC, load up on your shares. Load up on your shares if you have the time. Don't put money into it that you ain't willing to lose. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Don't put money into it that you can't lose. As simple as that. Simple as that. Look at AMC. We going back up. Hey. Hey. Come on, AMC. Break today's high. Oh, we got a new high today. We touched a new high today. 44.06. We here. We here. 44.06. 44.06. Let's see. And so we got this one. Can I move these? No. So let me get rid of AMC. No, let me get rid of where on this list. Pfizer, we don't need to look at that now. Tesla, we don't need to look at that now. MMAT, charge point, we can look at that. Apple, I want SPRT at the top with AMC. PRT. So we keep an eye on it. It's trying to shake you out, baby. Can you have Brownie give us some good luck for Nio? Brownie. Good boy. Chinese companies going down. I did a video on Nio not too long ago and I was talking about it. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Somebody said BBIG going to 12. They turned around for you. If you're still in this one, it turning around for you, baby. The SPY is going nuts. Look at that. Look at that. SPY is going nuts. We love to see it. AMC. So far I'm down on the support one, but that's a crazy high one. I'm up on the AMC one. Discord fam. Let's see. But again, I do think what we got more than 2 weeks left, almost 3 weeks on the support one. So let's see what's going on with it. I'm in there, baby. I'm in here. I'm gonna let that one cool and chill. Let's look at let's look if we could get in on another banger. So notice Catapult is basically going up still. We want to see it break. Yeah, I might want to ride the momentum on the SPY. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that. Even the SPY got overbought at 81, so it should cool off for a second. 81% on the RSI. Omar said AQST will break $10 in September. FDA run begun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, cool. Kenan made me some money on SPY. Let's go. Look, SPY going nuts, baby. The SPY is going absolutely nuts. People asking again, Palantir put time. Over 26, but this one, since it got so close to 27, we on like a new level now, like a new floor. So we got to watch this one a little longer. We got to watch this one a little longer. All right, cool. Let's keep it going. Yo, SPY is really going nuts. Family, the SPY Fortune 500 companies up $2. But look at this. Look at the trend. I tell you, if you want to run options and keep it real simple, just run leaps on the SPY. No, not financial advice, obviously. But look at this. Long term, if there was ever a banger, it's the SPY. Look at that. You give yourself time, you're going to be up on the SPY. Yo, Trey said, my guy Trey said, SPRT is a battlefield. That's right. That's a fact. Super crazy hot one. But let's see. It is finding support. Where? Like right here. Like similar to right in this level right here. Right now, on a call on SPRT, I'm down. I got into a call like right here. It came up a bit, but then it has since come down. And I wanted to get a protective put on it. So then when it came down in the short term, I could just cash out on the put and then ride the call. But let's see what happens now. At these levels, I don't want to get a put. Because then if it starts going back up, then I just be down on the put just for no reason. GSAT is moving, I'm seeing. But let's see. We want to see if it breaks under this. GSAT. You know what? Before we even do that, let's go and let's see if Ortex is updating us on Ortex. Let's see if they're updating us on the short interest on this. 40% up. Short interest is estimated at 72.75, so it only went down 2%. And this is 48 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm willing to hold. I'm willing to hold on with the short interest being that crazy. Let's go look. Let's go look at what position the shorts are in on this. So here we go. I opened this up. So this is SPRT, right? This is Yahoo Finance. Now, last reported, let's see. Let's look at their summary analysis. Let's look. I usually do this on my phone, statistics. Let's see. Balance sheet, not interested in that. Income statement, not interested in that. This is a short squeeze play. Chart, historical data, profile, financial, options, holders. Holders. All right. So shares held by institutions is saying that 50%. Insiders, 75%. I'm sorry, 37%. Free float of the institutions, 84%. Numbers of shares held. When was this reported? June? A lot has changed since June. A whole lot has changed since June. So what's a good stock you could get for 130 right now? Thinking about loading up on AQST. I'm seeing a lot of AQST talk, but I have not done any research on that one, family. Just know. Somebody just said, hey, this one. I see some rockets for SPRT, but so far, no rockets in real life. Somebody said they down 50% on Wish. Any play recommendations? We still looking, baby. Let's get it. Right, 72% short interest. I just saw that. My guy said, thanks, Discord fan. He held BBIG and he made 2,500 today. Let's see, is it still up or is it still going down? What's going on with that? Because it was on a huge downtrend. It's like laddering down. You see it like stair steps. 1, boom, 2. So you the man. Appreciate you, big dog. Let's get it. Amazon. Shorts haven't covered. They have not. They have not. But yeah, notice this one is coming down, 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 down. Right, Apple got new highs. I seen that. We want to see AMC break out of that 45. It's struggling, but we want to see it. SPRT, they trying to shake me out, baby. I'm down 30% on it on the call. Let's see. They trying to shake me out, baby. I know what you can do. I know what you could do, baby. We know it's hot in the kitchen. And again, I'm not going to diamond hand this to zero. This is not like an AMC kind of play. But we hot. We hot. BBIG oversold? Yeah. And let's see. Let's see what she going to do. Is BBIG done? If you think it's done, then that means the short sellers, they willing to say, you know what? It's time to load up. What we want to see in terms of, all right, let's talk about this. Let's go to KPLT. Let's look at some of the hot plays and let's look at them real quick. KPLT, Catapult. So she's taking back off. She got all the way to 4 today, but now she's back up to 480. Lucid is in the teens now. LCID. Lucid is in the teens. Lucid is in the teens. This could mean that charge point could be headed there too. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get any puts on it. Charge point. Put. Nio. Everything is getting near its floor. However, Lucid broke under it. I had a feeling we could get Lucid for the teens. So yeah, SPRT. Right now I'm down 30% on a call, but it looks like it's trying to turn around a little bit. I got until what? September 17th? But I'm not gonna hold it till expiration. I'd rather cut a little loss and then roll. What I mean by roll, sell a little loss and then get into a better call than anything else. But we got a little bit of time. Hit those likes, let's go. Let's go. And again, if you can't day trade, you can't swing, you might want to stay away from the super hot ones. You might want to get into other ones, kind of like, for example, let's see. Like we were talking about with Apple, with the SPY, stuff like that. Why did this keep popping up? Yo, look at the SPY going bonkers. Wow, I said if you can't say trade, day trade. Why is that not working? Edit. Day trade. There we go. Yo, SPY's going nuts. SPY's going nuts. What is the SPY up? The SPY is not even up crazy. It's not even up crazy, but it's just moving. Somebody said, I hope y'all got some right when them iPhones drop. That's right. That's a fact. That's a fact. Let's check out GameStop, GME. So GameStop is actually doing straight today. Look at that, 4%. Keep in mind, family, GameStop was just 150. Less than, I want to say, 2 weeks ago. Look at that. 150. When was this? The 20th. 10 days ago. Look at that. Bow. Click the like button on this live stream for our guy. Notorious. Appreciate you, big dog. Let's go. Now, it's no coincidence that Apple and the SPY are up, both doing this at the same time. Apple is probably the high majority of the SPY, being the largest company in the world. And the SPY is just all of the Fortune 500 companies. Just know. Somebody said, look at Disney. Yo, Disney is back up to the 180s. Let's go. Let's go. AMC. Here we go. He said I did a 470 call on the SPY just to get a W. I see you, Ralph. I see you. Let's see. Man, the momentum on this one is nuts. Crazy. Look at the RSI, and it's just holding, too. It got all the way up to 80, and it's just basically held up there. But now, all right, so it's going to cool off a tad bit, a little bit. I know that people were running puts on the SPY at 150. No, at 450. I keep saying 150, at 450. It's crazy that Apple moves like that, being such a new company. I mean, such a big company. He said, keep it going, fam. Life-changing information on the regular. Let's get it, baby. We got to get this money. When can we start looking for SPY puts? To be honest, running SPY puts is just crazy dangerous in general. Like, I want to tell you this. Like, for example, how I told you running a call on SPRT is high risk, like crazy high risk. That's true. Running puts on the SPY is also extremely high risk, like this. Just because the SPY long term, let's look at the monthly chart. Every single one of these candles is a month. Look at this. You get lucky sometimes, but running puts on the SPY, you gotta literally get in, get out, get in, get out on a put on the SPY. Just know. All right, so she's trying to wake back up. All right, cool. So I'm thinking I'm going to double down. Let's see. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to double down on this. Got my fill. All right, so on my SPRT call, I'm down 18%. I double down. Down 17%. Down 15%. Okay, looking good. Oh, she's trying to run. Down 13%. That was good timing. All right, Discord fam. So I'm down 13% on my SPRT call. But again, I'm not diamond handing this. I'm trying to play it for a crazy swing. I doubled down on the SPRT call. Don't do this if you can't day trade. Let me get an alarm in there. This is very high risk. can go to 0. In the blink of an eye. All right. So I look for some more safe ones for the fam. Just know. I'm looking for some more safe ones. There we go. Let's see. Let's look at. Hey, look. AMC rocked. It rocked out. So far. The AMC one is up. AMC one is up. The support one is down for now. Down for now. We see it getting some strength. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Hey. Yo, fam, AMC is moving. Let's get it. We moving, baby. Where we going? Promised land. I can't wait to see y'all there. Let's move, baby. Let's move. Let's move. AMC, we see you. Don't play with us. Tears in the chat for AMC. Tears in the chat, baby. Here we go. Let's get some tears in the chat. Here we go. Yo, I didn't realize that there was 3,000 people in the building. Let's get it. I had no clue. Shout out to the people. Shout out to the people. If you just rolling in, you already know, baby. Let us know where you from in the comments. I want to get to know you better, baby. Let's go. Tears in the chat. Tears in the chat. We here. Woo! Family, I'm up 20% almost on AMC on the call. Remember, when you make enough money, get in, get up, get out. Don't get married. To the call options. The stock, oh, I'm in lockstep with the call. I got a ring. For the stock. I got a ring for the AMC stock. I'm married. You don't got to get married. I'm married to the stock. Support.com, I'm down. AMC, I'm up. Come on, girl. They trying to play around. We ain't here for it. Keep going. Keep going. New York, Costa Rica in the building. Let's go. Bay Area, I see you. Malaysia, I see you. We here. Miami in the house. Brownie over there, you can hear him? We here. Let's go. So far, so good. Again, I want to make it abundantly clear. Ooh, Inglewood in the building. Tanzania. Let's go. Shout out to the Discord fam. Toronto, I see you. Downey, Singapore, I see you. I see you. Spain, we here. Philly, I see a lot of people, what they call it, over the pond in the building. I see North Korea. Come on now. Colombia in the building. Let's go. Somebody said support is finding support. Okay, you moving a little bit. She moving a little bit. Let's see. Where am I at with support? Support, I'm down 13%. Support, I'm down 13%. AMC, the option, I'm up currently 18%. Support, I'm down 14%. AMC, I'm up 19%. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that like button. Oh, I'm up 21% on AMC. The option today. Let's go. Woo! Oh, this is support. I'm bugging. This ain't AMC. Let's go back. Support, trying to wake up. Wake up a little bit. They tried to shake us out down here, but we wasn't having that. I'm down 11% on support. They try to shake me out. Remember, family, I'm going to tell you 100 times out of 100 times. That's why the people rock with me, because I keep it real when other people won't keep it real. Christian hip-hop, shout out to you, big dog. Love from Oklahoma. Appreciate you, family. Listen, right now, and I told you I'm going to keep it real 100 times out of 100. I'm down 11% on the, what is it? Support call. But again, this one, hot. You either going zero or you going to the promised land. I ain't gonna hold this one to zero though. Just know I ain't diamond handing this. In AMC, I'm up. I think most of the family in the Discord got into the AMC one. I was given a huge caution against the support unless you're ready for the heat. This ain't for the ones who can't take a hit. This one, this where we at so far today. AMC, I'm up 21% on that. This is the call so far today. And then let me move back. Support, I'm here. Let me show y'all. Again, some people won't do this. Some people won't do this. They won't show you that they're down on a play. And I told you 100 times, if you rocking with people who never show you that they down on a play, you probably dealing with a liar. Right now, this is what I'm looking at. I got this call today. I doubled down. I got two of them. See this? I'm down 8% on this. However, the AMC call so far is up 21%. Oh, I'm down. Look, support is moving. Support got to be moving. Why? Because I'm down 7%. So let's see. Here we go. What we got, support? What you got for me today? Okay. Here we go. Wake up, baby. Again, don't get in a support call or put if you can't handle the heat. Don't get in a support call or put. So right now on support, I'm down 7%. 7% on a support call. Shout out to the Discord fan. If you can't day trade, I told you stay away from that one. On the AMC call, I'm up 21% right now. This is where I'm rocking. This is where I'm at. But again, listen, let's go. Winston, 100 transparent. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Lucid is tanking. Why? Deliveries. We need to see him deliver. However, under the teens, I'm going to tell you this right now. Lucid, EV play, is supposed to basically, how can I put this? Lucid is supposed to deliver in October, apparently, supposedly, right? We'll see, because they're supposed to do it by the third quarter is what they're saying, but they have not came out and said, boom, we delivering the cars right now. It's all rumors and speculation. My guy said I cashed out 1,000% on BBIG, AMC. Let's get it. Let's go. So Lucid is tanking, baby. Yo, look at the SPY. Woo. We got a cup and handle. Support, let's get it. It is forming. I see what you're saying. So Kenan is there to give facts. Right? Be responsible. Let's do it. AMC is tested at 45. We love to see it. We love to see it. Let's see. BBIG. Here we go. Look. You didn't get shaken out. It's coming back up. He said, KG said, bro, might be able to quit my 9 to 5 thing. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. I decided to get off here. And let me give a major salute to Nepal, Ralph, a lot of the family. Y'all showing me mad love. Now that I'm doing this trading and stuff full time, I appreciate y'all for sending the super chats. I know you don't have to, but you choose to. And you really don't have to, but you choose to. And I love y'all for always showing love. I appreciate it. Just know it means something to me. Just to see you in the comments, just to see you. Come on now. I love y'all. I love y'all. I want y'all to understand that. AMC, if we break 45, we trying to see it. We trying to see it. Yo, let me tell you, man, the SPY is a rocket ship. Man, a rocket ship. Support is trying to wake up. What you got for us? Support. Let's get it. Let's get it. And remember, if you up in a play, make sure that you're ready to get out of it if you need to. Appreciate you, family. Let's get it. I love y'all too. Just know, Discord family, I see you. I see you. Till the SPY sells off, LOL. Listen, maybe it will, but I do not bet against the SPY long term. It just keep hitting all-time highs today. Another one, just again and again. DJ Khaled will be proud. Arizona in the house. I see you. I see you. AMC hit 45. Craig said, much love. I appreciate you for that, big dog. Let's see. AMC, where we at? Here we go. AMC, what you got for us today, baby? Okay, so she's trying to cool off a second. They ain't gonna shake us out. Nah. He said, let's get it. It's Monday. It's a track star. Let's go, Rob. Let's go. Elizabeth, that's love. Appreciate you, family. Let's go. I'm hearing Disney. There's a mouse in the house, and he's up. Bam. On a rocket ship. Look at this W here. Whoop, whoop, banger. Catapult. Okay, she back up. She back up too. But yo, it's really, who's the winner of the day? SPY, family. It's a lot of winners, but the SPY is running. The SPY is running. SPY is running. Support. Let's see what the volume is on support for the day. 36 million. 36 million. Let's see what it was. 100 million. 165 million, 36 million so far. So let's see if we get some more. We need some more volume. It has high volume. Disney, yeah, I see you. Appreciate you, family. Disney is a rocket, but just know, he said, I'm on my mind, Sharon Lynch. He said, super chats, all jokes aside, let's go. He said, we family, got your back. Just know, I know that's true, family. I know that's true. All right, so support. They try to shake us out again. We saw you try to shake us out over here. We didn't go for it. We didn't go for it. They try to tank you. They trying to tank you. Let's see if it's happening to AMC as well. AMC, they trying to cool her off. But she's holding strong up here at the 44. Holding strong. Is Nio and Charge Point good? So if you're trying to get into the stock in the teens for Lucid, is the best price we've seen in a long time. The teens, the best price we've seen in a long, long time. Nio, the closer you could get to 35, the better. For the stock. Yeah, Catapult was moving up. Let's see. The call options on it. Let's see. What's the volume on it? Volume is 24 million compared to 2 million yesterday. Oh yeah, the volume is through the roof today. Yeah, the volume is nuts on this one. Yeah, absolutely crazy. Compared to normal, crazy. Let's go. So they said put GSAT back up. So we were on some uptrend earlier, but broke it. So GSAT is back down, closer to $1 range, closer to it, under the $2 range. Palantir has a new floor almost of 26. Support is taking everybody on an emotional roller coaster. And let's see, AMC. She trying to come back down to touch the 44. Let's see. Somebody said bye-bye, trying to come back. We got to check them out. Lucid is back up over the 20. And the SPY cooled us a bit. Cooled a little bit. Just a baby tiny amount. But it's still up. All-time highs. Again. AMC taking a little bit of a dip. Taking a little bit of a dip. Let's see here. Let's see. We see you, girl. We know what time it is with AMC. We know AMC is a beast, a big dog, a banger. Recall Lucid could hit where 40s. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to buy Lucid shares, again, I'm gonna tell you again, consider, if you can, in the teens. That's a way better price than other prices. Way, way better in the teens. Consider that. Other than in the teens, nah, you might want to just chill. Anthony, I appreciate you, big dog. He said, good job. Love. Mad love. Mad love. Thoughts on Uncle Larry pulling out of Nio? It makes sense. It makes sense. I'm holding on to my Nio to 2030. I told y'all that time and time again. Where is it going to go? I want it to be 50, 60, 70, 80. I'm holding on to 2030. Nio as a company, banger. Absolute banger. We knew it would be times like this. But I understand anybody who says, you know what? I'm done. The politics between China and the United States is hostile, and it's not healthy for the stock market. It's not healthy for the stock market. Somebody said PFE is finally up. There we go, Pfizer, I see you. Wake up a little bit. But Disney, having a little rock star day. We see you, Disney. We see you, Disney. Yo, to be fair, support is showing some strength. It's showing some weakness, but at the same time, it's showing a little bit of strength. Where is finding support at like the 34-ish level, like around there. But now we got a low. We got a higher low. We're about to have a higher low. This is what we're trying to see. Somebody said 20 by Friday. BBIG is down to $5. Let's check them out. BBIG. 7. So it came down, but it's doing okay. That was a huge drop, though. I'll keep it real. From, 9 all the way to about 6. That's a huge drop. GSAT is in the $2 range. Does anybody in the comments have GSAT? Ortex just sent the tweet about what? Let's check them out. Up 9%, short interest, okay. The estimated short interest on support is still 72. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real, family. I think some of these short sellers, I think they be watching the video. I think they sneak and ghost watching us in the comments. Like they ghost watching us. I know it. I'm gonna keep it real. Catapult, $5. Nio charge point bouncing up. Should have bought in. Listen, it's just a few pennies. It ain't. If you want to get in now, just ease into your position. KPLT. Hit $5. Let's see. Yeah, it did. $5.03, and then it came back down. Somebody said I need to get out of the kitchen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He said, of course they watching. They hitting thumbs down. Yo. All right, so Nio is trying to come back up a little bit to the 37. What we hit, 36 today? Disney, she was running, but she cooled off. Spy, same thing. But Spy ain't really cooled off. That's not true. You jump in a put right now on what? Thinking about it, hedge. All right, listen. Listen. Let's go. All right, see. So support, it's consolidating. Right here, right here, right here. We want to see this spring load up and bam, take us to the promised land, baby. My guy said pump BBIG. Nah. We let them pump there on their own merit. AMC cooling just a little. Here we go. The only reason Sprt is that love don't want to lose their games. Nah. Greeting. Yeah, if you win anything, and if you win, let me tell you, support crazy high risk play. Crazy high risk play. Don't put the house on this. This is something that you have fun with. You ride the excitement, ride the momentum. Ride the excitement, ride the momentum. Let's look at the SPY though real quick again. SPY is crazy. Man, you see this? He said, yep, they watching. His 5 Ps, proper preparation. Leaps for, yeah, that's a good idea, actually. However, just know, if they come out, I looked up the word leap, my brain is like, look up leap, LCID. If they come out and say, look, we pushing the deliveries back again. We said we was going to do it third quarter, but now we're going to do it fourth quarter, or we're going to do it in 2022. This thing going at $10. But if they do deliver, like they said in the third quarter, which they got until October, right? The end of October, this thing can run. Any is doing well. Let's see what the volume is on the day. 40 million so far. Just yesterday it was 20 million. So it's 40 million. Yeah, look at that. Do they have options? They do. Not many people running them, but they got options. And where they at? $7.50. Yeah, $7.58 at the money, and then $8. Yeah, there's not many people running options on this, like you would think. I feel like Disney is cooling off. Is the SPY cooling off, though? Nope, SPY is not cooling off. SPY is absolutely not cooling off. The SPY said, nah, I ain't cooling off. I'm good. All right, cool. So SPY. Delta is higher than the price of the SPY. That's crazy. So is theta, gamma. Ooh. If you got into this SPY call, you are killing it. High risk, high reward, though. As usual. You'll be down bad and up big. SPRT, trying to wake up a little bit again. I need to see a big jump, man. I need to see a big jump. AMC expiration. Listen, get in, get up, get out. Testing. I'm on air. Pfizer is running now. So now, let's see. What is there? So they found support at 46. Let's see if that's true in the past. 46. Yeah, just about. 46, and they've been running ever since. Lucid might come back down to the teens. I expect it to at least touch it again in the teens. And then like the $19 range. Yo, look at Apple. Yo, I love to see it. I love to see it. I love to see it. I wonder what the high is going to be on SPRT today. It could end up being this 43, but we want to see it higher than that. We want to see it as just some short seller just say, you know what? I'm just going to cover right now. I'm done. Bam. Take us up. Let's go. And let's check AMC again. So AMC, she cooled off a little. She's still coming down a bit, but she about oversold on a 1 minute, on a 5 minute, decent. ATER, charge point. Yo, Apple is really going crazy. And so is the SPY, but it makes sense. They run together. Amazon, juggernaut. Yeah, Amazon is a juggernaut. Went up basically $100 today. But the options on Amazon is crazy. However, the stocks, worth owning. They're worth owning for sure. Long term, strike to own. Somebody said, come on, BBIG. It's waking up a little bit. I see it. Kenan, check out Affirm. Yeah, we talked about Affirm a little bit earlier today. Where we at with it? So we check out ATER real quick. ATER is still down. Let's check out Affirm. Okay. Here we go. Yo, AMC up 7% today. I love it. Where is Affirm? I clicked the Affirm. Where you at? Okay, 40% on a day. A lot of runners. Whole lot of runners. All right, family. So let's get it. High risk, high reward plays. SPY, if you want to run call options are largely best. The stock is going to go up. SPY is a good one to get long calls on. So is Apple. Long calls on them. Make your money. If you get into risky plays, be responsible. Be responsible. Don't go all in on no risky play trying to take it, because then you're going to get scared when it starts to dip. And you'll be scared to cut out if you need to on a loss. And then, let's see. If you're trying to get into the Discord, just know we got your back. You can get yourself in. But, family, it's time for me to take my dog on a walk. But I love y'all. I want y'all to understand. I'm going to see you on this tomorrow. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds, family. Discord family, I will see you over there again. I love y'all. Take care. Just know that. We out.